Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage branches with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you streamline your branch management, making version control more efficient. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project where you want to manage branches. Codeium integrates seamlessly to provide real-time assistance and suggestions. Start by opening the integrated terminal or the source control panel in your code editor. This is where you will perform branch operations. To create a new branch, type git branch, your branch name, in the terminal. Codeium will provide command suggestions and auto completions to speed up the process. Switch to your new branch using git checkout your branch name or git switch your branch name. Codeium can suggest the branch names as you type, reducing errors. To merge branches, switch to the branch you want to merge into, typically the main or master branch, using git checkout main or git switch main. Then type git merge your branch name to merge changes. Codeium will assist by suggesting the correct branch names. Handle branch conflicts with ease by following Codeium suggestions. When conflicts arise, Codeium can recommend conflict resolution strategies and snippets to help you resolve issues efficiently. Delete branches that are no longer needed using git branch -d your branch name. Codeium will suggest branches that can be safely deleted based on their merge status. To view your branch history and see a visual representation of your branches, use commands like git log online graph all. Codeium will suggest the command as you start typing. Regularly pull updates from the remote repository to keep your branches up to date. Use git pull to fetch and integrate changes. Codeium can help automate this process by suggesting the command at the appropriate times. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to manage branches with Codeium. This tool can boost your productivity and help you maintain a clean and organized version control system. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.